and welcome to the stretching routine that I do every day to get myself out of bed. We are going to start laying on our backs, just like you would be if you're laying in bed, reaching your arms above your head, wiggling your fingers and your toes. We're going to begin with some belly breathing here, taking nice long inhales through your nose into your belly, filling it up nice and full. Breathing 5 times, really contracting your abdominals on the exhale. Reaching down to grab your right leg and rocking back and forth. When it feels comfortable for you, move your right leg to your left side, twisting your spine. If this is too much of a spinal twist, keep your arms together. We are continuing to breathe the whole time. Return back to center, grab behind your knee, and we are going to lift our feet 5 times. Releasing that leg, stretching overhead and repeating on the left. Rocking back and forth so it feels comfortable. And then moving our left leg to our right side. Again, we're in a spinal twist here. If it's too deep for you, bring both arms together, as I will show you in a second. Returning back to center, and again lifting your left leg 5 times, just like we did on the right. Bring both knees together, rocking back and forth. This should feel amazing on your spine. Now we're going to lay on our right side, hands together and opening your chest nice and wide 5 times. This is again a spinal twist, really opening up your chest. Go at your own pace here. Don't feel the need to keep up with me. Now we are going to extend our top leg, which will be our left when we're laying on our right side, 5 times. Holding the last one for 5 seconds. You should feel a little bit of a booty burn here. Returning to center and rocking again until it feels comfortable. Ending on your left side and again opening your arms like a book. And extending your top leg, which will be your right, 5 times. Holding for 5 seconds on your 5th one. Now we're going to slowly roll up. If you're on your bed, your feet will be dangling off your bed now. We're going to reach forward all the way down our legs, really rounding our spine, and then curving it backwards, looking up. Repeat again, really focused on your inhale and your exhale, exhaling when you're rounding your back. Now we're going to drop our head to the left-hand side and repeat on the other side. Rolling your head forward if it feels comfortable for you. Our neck holds lots of pressure, lots of tension, so releasing it in the morning is a great way to begin. Putting your right arm on the ground, reaching overhead, really stretching out your sides, repeating on the other side. Good, and that is everything I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.